Hi everyone, a lot of people want to make money in the stock market but they don't know how to start and what path to follow. Whether you want to daily income or a side income or you want to build a long-term wealth, in this video I will break down into three types of a stock market approaches based on your time availability, risk appetite and then income goals. This is Rajasekar bringing you clear and practical insights from the market. Let's get started. The number one type is the day trading or derivatives. This is active income. How it works? You can buy and then sell the stock within the same day. You can also trade in the derivatives, that is options and then futures for a higher leverages. Why it suits for a full-time trader and aggressive traders. So to whom it is suitable? This is suitable for a full-time traders or aggressive income seekers. It requires 8 hours a day, maybe even 10 hours a day also it requires. And for this you have to take a fast decision making and risk management is the key. And here what you need to learn about the technical chart skills and then a strong discipline, and third very important thing is that mental stamina. Here you can make a daily profit but losses also come just as fast. Not ideal for beginners or people with full-time jobs. And number two is the swing trading or semi-passive income. So this method you are going to hold stock for a few weeks to months and you are going to catch a mid-term trend, and it requires 1 hour to 2 hours a day, and here the balance risk and then reward, less screen time. And here you have to learn about the technicals and how to identify the trend and support, resistance, technical signals and market news, how to identify the target, stop loss. All these things you need to learn, and still needs a patience, not sit and then forget. So you have to actively monitor the stock for a maybe daily and weekly also. And third very important thing is that long-term investing or passive wealth building. Here you are going to buy quality stocks and then hold for a long term. Let's compounding do its magic, and it's helpful for the long-term wealth creation. Here you are going to put a minimal effort and you are going to check your portfolio maybe a monthly basis or quarterly basis based on the quarter results. Ideal for working parents, entrepreneurs, busy individuals. Here you need to learn about the fundamentals and you have to pick the good sectors and then companies. You have to tune out noise and short-term panic. And here also patience is biggest tool. Don't panic and then sell in a temporary correct. So overall in this video what you can learn is that you have to choose your trading or investing based on your lifestyle, not for a hype. All three types, if you done in a disciplined way, you can make money in the market. Don't try to copy someone else's style just because it is attractive. So you have to understand your own risk appetite and then goals. When I was trading in the Zerodha as a day trader 2015 to 2020, there was a program called 60-day challenge certificate. So what does it practically mean? If you trade and then end of the 60th trading day, if you make money, then you will be awarded as a 60-day challenge winner certificate from the Zerodha. So from 2015 to 2020 I was doing an intraday trading and I made around 12 to 13 certificates similar to that, and that was one of the hectic days like 2015 to 20 because I was a completely day trader and I had to have a strong mental stamina. But later on I got married and then I changed my lifestyle. So I thought that okay, day trading won't be suitable for my lifestyle, so that I changed from day trading to the long-term wealth creation. Similarly, you have to choose your risk appetite and then income goals and time availability, and you have to choose the right method based on your lifestyle. That's all about this video. If you find this video useful, like and subscribe for more stock market strategies and then ideas. Also join my WhatsApp channel to know everyday stock market updates and beginner friendly tips. The link is in the description. Thank you for watching.